Welcome to AMS. Today in this video we are going to solve a math Olympiad question. The question is, if x square plus y square is equal to 20 and xy equal to minus 6, then what is the value of x and y? So in order to solve this equation, as we know from the data of the question, is the value of x square plus y square is equal to 20 and x and y is equal to minus 6, and our target is to find the value of x and y and x minus y. So in order to find the value of x minus y, as we know that the whole square of x minus y square will be equal to x square plus y square minus 2xy. And as we know that, we can see here inside the question the value of x square plus y square is 20 and xy is equal to minus 6. Then we will insert the value of both inside this formula and we will get x minus y whole square is equal to 20 minus 2 into minus 6. How? Because the value of x square plus y square from the data is 20, so I insert here 20 value at the place or at the replacement of x square plus y square. Minus 2 is same as formula and I replace here x y from minus 6. Now I will simplify here this value and I will get 32 because 20 and 12 is equal to 32, because the multiplication value of this 2 minus 2 into minus 6 will be equal to 12 and plus 20. I will sum both values and then I will get 32. Now I can see here x minus y whole square value is equal to 32, but my target is to find the value of x minus y. So in order to convert this condition x minus y whole square value from this condition to x minus y, I will take square root on the both sides of the equation. And now this root and this square will cancel out and it will come out x minus y from the root, and this 32 will convert into 4 under root 2 because the value of root 32 is equal to 4 under root 2. This is the value of x minus y, or the value of x minus y is equal to 4 under root 2. I hope this video is very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.